Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see swipe history on Plenty of Fish. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to the Plenty of Fish application. Now after opening the application, you will see this interface. Here you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen and scroll down, then click on manage account. Here you'll have to simply click on account type option at the top and click on upgrade. After you click on upgrade, it will take you over to this page, that is POF Prestige. You'll have to simply click on Get Prestige button. So basically choose the duration for which you want this application, then click on Get Prestige. After this, you'll have to basically click on the subscribe option and choose a plan that you want to upgrade to. Then you'll be successfully subscribed to the premium plan and you'll be able to see the swipe history on this application. So that's how you do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.